Is the recent weakness in crude prices enough to accelerate the Canadian dollar's slide? So after putting in a 15-month low in mid-July, the US dollar has had a blistering rally that's seen it post a higher week-over-week close for 12 straight weeks against the dollar index. Now, the overwhelming driver of the move has been the growing domestic story of rates staying higher for longer. US 10-year yields have risen 100 basis points in the time period from 3.8% to 4.8%. Now, some of the individual stories within the index, though, have been interesting. The Aussie dollar has suffered the most due to the parallel story of economic weakness in its main trading partner, China. Conversely, the Canadian dollar has fared somewhat better than many of its peers, and that seems to be because of oil. Now, the Canadian dollar has historically had a strong correlation to crude prices because of Canada's export relationship with the U.S. Crude has rallied over 25% in the time period due to a combination of resilient demand and production cuts by Saudi Arabia and Russia. Now, after posting a high on September 27th, though, crude appears to be turning a corner, falling 8% from recent highs. Now, CME Group offers three different size currency contracts, the standard, the mini, and the micro. In order to match a trader up with their preferred risk tolerance, we're going to be using the micros in these examples. If a trader believes the Canadian dollar could continue lower from here, they could express that by selling the December micro Canadian dollar futures contract at 0.7274 and targeting a move to 0.7100. Now, stop for this trade could be placed above at 0.7374. Now, this trade can make $174 if the target is reached and risks $100 if you're stopped out of your level. Now, if a trader believes that the Canadian dollar could bounce from here, they could express that by buying that December micro Canadian dollar futures contract at 0.7274 and targeting a move to the July highs of 0.7600. Now, stop for this trade could be placed below at 0.7074. Now, this trade can make $326 if the target is reached and risks $200 if you're stopped out of your level.